popcorn kernels and 2 tablespoons oil.
Of course, for making caramel popcorns, we need to pop some popcorns. So that's what we're gonna do now. So I'm using the popcorn kernels, but you can totally use the Active Popcorn Cup packet, which is ready to put in the microwave or any of those things. We just need to make the normal popcorns first, and that's what we're gonna do. So guys, I have transferred the popcorns in 3 bowls, and so that we can make caramel, chocolate and the butter popcorns. Now
For the caramel syrup, you'll need 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of white sugar, and if you don't have brown sugar, you can use half cup of white sugar. Then you'll need 1/4 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of salted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half a tablespoon of lemon juice, or you can say half lemon squeeze. For the main part now, we are gonna make caramel syrup that's gonna make the caramel popcorns. So first we need to toss both of the sugars in the pan, and now we're gonna keep on mixing the sugar till it starts to melt. And I'm even adding a pinch of salt while the sugar is semi-solid but is about to melt for that caramelly saltiness, I guess. By the way guys, a few things to keep in mind while working with it, that you have to work really carefully because it's really dangerous for your skin if it burns, and you have to work really fast because the process is gonna change really fast now, and you have to pay attention and make sure that you're keeping on mixing it so that it won't crystallize. Yeah. So now guys, I'm adding in my milk, but if you have condensed milk lying around your house, use that will be really better. But to make it easily available at your house, that's why I'm using milk today. But condensed milk just makes it more easier and better. And when you add your milk, the sugar will crystallize a bit, but don't worry, you have to keep on mixing it. And because we are using milk, it's a bit hard, but don't worry, it's gonna melt again, and that's what we're gonna do. By the way guys, make sure you use warm milk and not cold. As you can see guys, the sugar is all melted. We're gonna add in our butter and give it a mix, and then we're gonna add in our vanilla and again mix it guys. Vanilla really adds some flavor. And now guys, make sure you turn off the flame, so because otherwise it will totally burn up. So we immediately need to turn the flame off and toss our pumpkins in, the ones we have separated, and just mix it all up and cover it all up with caramel syrup, and yeah, just like mix it really well. And when they are all really well mixed, we're gonna add in baking soda and just like keep on mixing it. And after some while, when the baking soda is equally distributed, we're gonna turn the flame on for a little while, and yeah, just mix it and make it a huge ball of caramel popcorn. If you want it to be soft, you can leave it as it is, or you can put it in your fridge. Now guys, it's a while later, and as you can see, it's a solid ball. So now we're gonna break it. Then I started to use that thingy, but it didn't work, so I eventually used my finger. So yeah, this is how the caramel popcorn turns out. Yeah guys, and so yeah guys, it's really tasty, and I hope you enjoy it. For the chocolate popcorn, you'll need some dark compound, white compound and some milk compound, and that's it. And now I'm gonna be dividing the one of the bowl in these 3 bowls, and yeah, now I'm using a grater to grate the chocolate, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. Guys, can you see the difference with the milk compound, which was hard enough? It was just like shavings, and with the dark compound, which was like a bit soft and it was like noodles kind of thing. And now I put it the whole shaving thingy in the popcorn bowl, and now I'm gonna put it in the microwave for about like 20 seconds or so. But first mix it well before like putting it in the microwave. Yeah, after taking it out of the microwave, just mix it really well, and yeah, your chocolate popcorn number 1 will be ready. Now I'm just like putting it on the plate, and I'm letting it rest on the side. Now for the second and third popkins, chocolate popkins, I'm like melting my dark and white chocolate compounds, and yeah, Now I'm just gonna add in the popkins and mix it, and yeah, both of them, and just combine both of them together after they are separately mixed. So yeah, they will be like brown and white popkins. Yeah, really like marbly and tasty. Guys, doesn't the pumpkin look tasty? By the way, guys, I couldn't show you how it looked after it hardens. It looked the same, but I couldn't show you it how it looked after, because before I could even the clip, the pumpkin was already over. My cousins had already eaten it all. So sorry guys, but that even tells you how delicious the pumpkin was. And yeah, now with the last bowl of popcorn, I just ended up adding some salt and butter to balance the flavor. Like, it's too sweet now. We had made two sweet tooths, so yeah, that's what I did, and I combined it all together. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it and had some delicious popcorn today. And yeah, do subscribe, like, and share if you enjoyed. And thank you for watching, guys. Bye.